Now that we have a rolling chassis, I dug the 350 tune port with the 700 R4 that came out of the Corvette that I took all the suspension out of. Now I chopped off the motor mount brackets. They used to be up here, somewhere around there, and with the Corvette the motor sits down and back in here, so I'm hoping to be able to move the motor up and over this forward to clear the firewall. So chop these all off. Now, those won't be used. So now we'll start fitting the motor here and see where we land. Hopefully it's not going to be too high. Hoping to not have to modify the whole transmission tunnel, but whatever we got to do, we got to do, because we got to get this thing done. We got to go to Nova Scotia. All right, and get back at it. Here comes Riley. He's checking out. Riley, you want to say bye? Hey, bud. Hey.